Hey kiddos, welcome to your homework review for the week. We are going to be multiplying this week. So let's take a walk through our math. Now you'll see at the top, I've given you the option to do traditional or box multiplication. What I'm going to do is I'm going to record these videos for traditional, and then I will record a separate set for box. So if you prefer to see them either way, you can either access the traditional multiplication video or the box multiplication video. That way you're not having to spend the time to watch it both ways. You can just pick the video you prefer. So this is going to be the traditional multiplication video. Starting with 66 times 2, we stack it. Always starting with the ones place. 2 times 6 is 12. Drop your 2, carry your 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Add 1 is 13. 132. 634 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Drop your 4, carry your 2. 4 times 8 is 32. Add 2 is 34. 6 times 8 is 48. Add 3 is 51. 5,144. 452 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 5 times 7 is 35. Add 1 is 36. 7 times 4 is 28. Add 3 is 31. 3,164. 24 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 2 is 16. Add 3 is 19. 192. 57 times 8. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 5 is 40. Add 5 is 45. 442 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. Add carry your 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Add 1 is 13. 1,326. This brings us to the end of our first homework assignment. Please bring any questions with you to class. All right, loves, here comes your second page of multiplication homework again. This is the traditional method, starting with 129 times 9. Stack it. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 2 is 18. Add 8, 26. 9 times 1 is 9. Add 2, 11. 1,161. 64 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 7 times 6 is 42. Add 2 is 44. 92 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 times 4 is 36. 368. 363 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 6 is 36. Add 1 is 37. 6 times 3 is 18. Add 3, 21. 2,178. 764 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 6 times 8 is 48. Add 3 is 51. 7 times 8 is 56. Add 5 is 61. 6,112. Last one for this page, 89 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 8 times 5 is 40. Add 4 is 44. This is the end of this homework assignment. Please go ahead and stop here. If you have any questions, bring them into class. All right, kiddos, 263 times 4. Again, this is the traditional video. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 6 is 24. Add 1 is 25. 4 times 2 is 8. Add 2 is 10. 1,052. 91 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. 728. 72 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 7 is 49. Add 1 is 50. 504. 745 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24. Add 3 is 27. 6 times 7 is 42. Add 2 is 44. 4,470. 133 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. Add 2 is 23. 7 times 1 is 7. Add 2 is 9. 931. 66 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. Add 3 is 33. Here's your next set of homework. If you have any questions, bring them with you to class.